Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2906th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. If you're watching this on Monday afternoon, it's Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo to those who celebrate. If you're watching this on Monday night or Tuesday, it's for trading on May 6th, which is a Tuesday, 2025. Please remember the risks involved in trading. This is a risky game. Never trade without protective stops, and always put those stops in first before you get into a live position. Traders, thank you for tuning in. Mini Dow, the Dow Jones E-mini daily bar chart. Right now, what we're looking at is this. Very smart rally off the lows. Comes back a little, puts the gap in. Fills the gap completely and has a very smart rally up to the 50-bar moving average. Now we begin. This is day one. Tuesday is day one of a two-day Fed meeting, Federal Open Market Committee, if you will. The Fed will decide if they're raising, lowering, or do nothing with interest rates. That is Tuesday and Wednesday. And interesting is just as the Fed meeting starts, the Omni goes into a neutral posture. I love when the Omni understands what's going on out there in the world. That's just great. So, day one of a Fed meeting. Day two will be Wednesday. The Fed will make their decision and they will likely do zero with interest rates. Just leave them alone and not make a change. What will be important is what Fed speak comes out. What will Jerome Powell say in his conference? And if he takes questions, will be way more important than the anticipation of what the Fed will do, because it's a foregone conclusion that the Fed is not lowering or raising rates at this particular meeting. But what they say will have great importance. Make sure that you remember it's a Fed meeting day one. Traders, I've got a live webinar this Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern. I'll be doing a live webinar, live charts, answering questions, showing you what's going on, what should be happening next, and the best way that I can find to illustrate how markets should move going forward. That all happens on Friday. It is a live webinar and it's absolutely free to you. The link is below this video. Click the link, sign up for Friday's free live webinar. I will be there, of course, and I will do my best to show you some great stuff. The other thing is I really appreciate your comments. I answer every one of your comments personally. No one else goes through these comments. I do it myself, and I always reply personally. So please leave your comments, like and share these videos. That helps the algorithms, and it allows me to help more traders out there. So please do that. Now let's get moving. Neutral Omni for trading on Tuesday, May 6th. Love the way the market came up. Bang. Turns into a neutral Omni and decides we should do nothing right there. When right at a Fed meeting, it makes the perfect sense, doesn't it? So we've got other markets that we'd like to trade. I won't mention them in this video, but if you come to livewithoscar.com, you'll find out what it is that we are looking at that we can trade on a Fed day when the Omni goes neutral for U.S. indices. Of course, there are other markets, and we always look at them. I'll let you know what the Omni's looking at livewithoscar.com. In fact, join me in my free live trading room. I am there right now with a bunch of other people are as well. And we're always in this live trading room. That's me waving to you right now live, so you should join us. It's absolutely free to you. It costs you nothing, not even a credit card is required, and you can be in this live room with me and conversing with me. We'd appreciate having you here, so make sure that you show up, and that all happens at livewithoscar.com. So traders, I only wanted to show you one chart for now. It's a Fed meeting. We'll find some great charts this week. We'll get into some great trades. We'll take it one step at a time, always putting our stops in first. I hope this helps, traders. Remember, stops are in. Thanks for tuning in, traders. Please leave your comments below, like and share. I promise to answer all of them myself, and sign up for the free live webinar this Friday. Thanks for tuning in. Best of trading out there to all of you.